Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create flowcharts in Microsoft Loop using Mermaid diagrams. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account to access your Loop workspace. After logging in successfully, you'll see your dashboard with all your available projects and workspaces. Click on the project or workspace where you want to create your flowchart. This could be an existing workspace you're already working in, or a new one you've set up specifically for this purpose. Now here's where the magic happens. In the workspace, simply type /mermaid. As you type, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with suggestions. Click on the Mermaid option from the results. This will insert a sample Mermaid code block into your Loop page, and it's what we'll use to create our custom flowchart. You'll notice the sample code includes the word flowchart followed by TD. This TD defines the direction of your flowchart from top to bottom. However, you have full control over this. You can change TD to BT if you want your flowchart to flow from bottom to top, LR for a left to right layout, or RL for right to left. Choose the direction that best fits your workflow or presentation needs. If top to bottom works for you, simply keep TD as is. Next, erase the sample Mermaid code on line 2. Now you'll start building your flowchart containers. Type any letter or number to name a container. For example, type A, then add square brackets with your text inside, like this. A square bracket sample 1 square bracket. This creates your first box or container with the label sample 1 inside it. Repeat this process to create as many containers or boxes as you need for your flowchart. Each one should have a unique name like B, C, D, and so on, followed by the text you want displayed inside. Now it's time to connect these containers. To do this, type the name of your first container, for example A, then add 2 hyphens and a greater than sign, followed by the next container name, like B. This creates a connecting line from A to B. Repeat this step to connect all your containers in the sequence that represents your workflow or process. To make your flowchart even more informative, you can add labels to the connecting lines. Simply type the connector, and immediately after the 2 hyphens and greater than sign, add a vertical bar, your text, and another vertical bar. For example, vertical bar yes, vertical bar. You can repeat this for other connectors, adding labels like vertical bar, no vertical bar to indicate different decision paths. Finally, let's add some style to make your flowchart stand out. Type the word style, followed by the container name, such as A, then add your styling properties. For instance, style A fill : white, color, red, stroke, black, stroke, width, 5px, semicolon. This allows you to customize the fill color, text color, and border thickness of any container in your flowchart. And that's it. You've successfully created a fully customized flowchart in Microsoft Loop using Mermaid diagrams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.